Hey folks, today on the rail we have a Marx Clockwork Engine. I don't know the number because it doesn't seem to have any markings on it, but if you know, comment below. This set comes with 3 4-wheel tin litho cars. I love the red on the seaboard, absolutely stunning, especially next to the yellow Union Pacific caboose. As our featured accessories we have a manual crossing gate, and a manual semaphore. The purpose of these clockwork trains was to cater to families that didn't have electricity, so these manual accessories were wonderful to have. Okay, let's start winding this up. Remember, no more than 7 turns. And off she goes. Wow, look at the speed of that clockwork motor. Amazing. And now for a special treat. Clockwork motor in slow-mo. Just listen to it. Listen to that bell. Listen to the wheels on that track. Almost sounds like the real deal. Alright, let's get back to it. Well, that wraps up our video on the Marx Clockwork Engine. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Feel free to like and subscribe to this channel, and to learn more, you can go to marxtrainvault.com. We have tons of photos and other information on that website. See you soon.